Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and thank you for subscribing and also hitting the notification bell. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Today I'm back with another muffin mix. I don't know what's up with me and muffin mix, but I'm back with it. So this is chocolate muffin mix. So what I'm going to do today, we are going to do a chocolate cake out of muffin mix. What I did here, I placed the easy mix into a mixing bowl. Here it is, and it smells so chocolatey. What we are going to do now, I'm going to get another mixing bowl where I'll be adding 200 ml of water. To the 200 ml of water, I'll be adding 160 ml of cooking oil. And then they also say that I must add 2 eggs. But because I'm going to do a chocolate cake, I want to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. So guys, here are my egg yolks. I'm going to put them into here. Then I'm going to mix this up with a fork. What you want to do is to get the other bowl of the mix. Here it is, and a spoon. So I'll be adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And then you just gently mix it. I also forgot to tell you that before I started with everything, I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So before you start with everything, it is good if you preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. My mixture, I'm just going to put this aside. Get your bowl, your clean bowl of the egg white. So here I put 2 egg whites. Your egg whites are at room temperature. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to whisk this. We form it in a meringue kind of state. I would also advise you to start on low. When bubbles start to form, then you increase the speed. Now we can see this stage, it is nice and foamy. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar and I whisk. Because I don't want to add a lot of sugar, because then my chocolate, it's going to be over sweet because the mix is already having sugar. And we just fold it in. There's no need to mix it, just want to fold it inwards. After folding everything well together, it should look like this. You're going to get your pan, your cake pan or cake tin. Today I'm having this type of cake tins. They are mini ones, and I have 2 of them because I would like to make a layered cake. What I'm going to do to this, I'll be greasing them and dusting them with just a little bit of flour or whatever you have at hand. So I managed to put the butter into the pans. So what I'm going to do, we're going to put this into the oven and let it cook for plus minus 20 minutes. Here they are. They have safely made their way into the oven. They are both out of the oven. Now we're going to let them cool down so that we can decorate them. Now it's time to decorate them. Now you can go ahead and do a frosting, a buttercream icing, or any type of filling you would like to have. But today I'm not going to do all that. I just got this chocolate fantasy. It's a chocolate flavored dessert and it's perfect for topping or filling. I got this from Spar and it was around about $12 Namibian dollars. Actually affordable, so you can get yourself a can of these. Just going to open it. A generous amount of this chocolate frosting, and then I'm going to work it out, like spread it starting from the middle going outward. You can still add a little bit more. I'm using the back of my knife. Now if this cake of mine had a dome, like when I flip it around, if it had a large dome, I can just cut it out and just level it. But this one, it doesn't really have a dome. And place it over my cake. Then we're just going to fix it like this. I'll be back when I'm done with everything. So this is how it looks like. This is how the cake looks like. I think I'm going to transfer it into, I'll try to transfer it into a bigger plate. Yeah. And then I'm going to cut it in there. And it goes so smoothly, like really smoothly. Then this is the close-up look. So this is how it looks. And there's how it looks. And now I'm going to eat it. Guys, this is so delicious. I think the whipped egg white really made a really big difference. So there we have it, guys. We just made our cake from a muffin mix. I hope you guys try this out. Please keep safe, subscribe, hit that notification bell, try to share the video, and also like it. Bye! See you in the next video.